Are you currently the number one med spa in your area? If you're not, then you're at the right place. My name's Christy. I'm the founder of MediBoom Agency, and I've been doing a lot of research into what the top clinics are doing to make them the best in the area. Not only are they getting all the new clients, but their profit margins are crazy. So I've been compiling all of this information and I discovered there's 10 main things that all of these practices were doing in order to get those results. So what I've done is I've created a cheat sheet for you so you can look at what these clinics are doing and then you can see which ones in your clinic right now you are not doing. Start applying it so that you can start dominating your area as a med spa owner. But let me show you some case studies on the difference between getting more clients out of your ad spend and also increasing your lifetime value, just the difference it can really make to your business here. So a difference between top clinics and all of the other clinics. So clinic one and clinic two. So they've both spent $18,000. Except clinic one is just an average clinic. And out of an 18,000 spend, they've only managed to get 60 new clients. Where clinic two, they've implemented a few things on the cheat sheet to increase the amount of customers and clients that they've got booked in now. And they were able to get 120 new clients out of the exact same ad spend. Now, this means that clinic one, they had to spend $300 to get every single client. Where clinic two, they only had to spend 150. Can you start to see the difference here? Like the difference between profit margins on how this is going to work out? Well, let me break it down even further. Now, the lifetime value of clinic one, which is just an average clinic, is $1,000 per client. Where clinic two, they're doing all the things in this cheat sheet and they've increased their lifetime value of $2,000. Now, actually, a lot of the clinics that we examined, their lifetime value is a lot higher. But I just want to show you the example of the difference in money just with a 2,000 client lifetime value. So with clinic one, the total revenue that they're going to bring in from an 18,000 spend in marketing, they're going to get $60,000. Where clinic two, with an 18,000 spend, they're going to make $240,000. Look at that difference. Like that is a crazy amount of difference. But a lot of the clinics that are applying what is in our cheat sheet, they're actually doing a lot higher than 2,000 lifetime value per client. Let me show you an example of clinic three here. So it did the same principles of getting the clients and it got 180 new clients. Now, that's out of 18,000 marketing spend. But their lifetime value was $4,000 per client. Now, we've actually seen clinics apply what's in the cheat sheet and do even higher than $4,000. But I really just want to show you here what the difference is. So clinic three, they're only spending $100 to get a new client. And ideally, that is where you want to be. That's your sweet spot. That's when you can really start making really good profit, is when it's only costing you around $100 to get a new client, but you can get endless amount of those clients. Now, as you can see, like clinic one, total revenue was 60,000. Clinic three's total revenue, $720,000 from the exact same 18,000 marketing spend. Can you see how these top clinics are just dominating the area? And that you might think that they're spending more on marketing, but can you see clearly here that they've just applied a few things into their clinics to really maximize and get the most out of the existing clients, and also some strategies to get the most out of their marketing spend. So to get access to the cheat sheet, so you can have a look at what you're doing in your business and apply so that you can get some of these examples and this increase your profit margins and the lifetime value of each of your clients so that you can be the number one dominating med spa in your area.
To get access to my cheat sheet, just down below, click on the link, enter your details, and I'll send it over to you so that you can really dominate your area. Have a great day. Bye.